Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am back with another video for you. Guys, this time we are going to focus on some Ibotta deals from CVS. They are quick and easy Ibotta deals that everyone could do. You don't need any coupons. All you need is your Ibotta app. That is it. And I decided to do these deals because they are for people who are not familiar with Ibotta or not familiar with glitches. And two of these are Ibotta glitches. Now, they may work at other stores. I don't know. But I know they work at CVS. So why don't you go ahead, download your Ibotta app. If you haven't downloaded Ibotta, it's okay. I am going to go ahead and put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. That way, all you have to do is click on the link, sign up, and you're ready to go. Now, when you redeem your first rebate with Ibotta, you're going to get $10 in addition to any of the rebates you redeem. So if you do this deal exactly the way I did it, you're going to have a money maker on your hands. So guys, let's get ready. You want to get your phones out so that you can do some screenshots of the UPCs. And maybe you want to take some notes so that you can make sure that you get the right thing. Okay? So the very first thing we're going to start off with are these stuffed puffs. They're the basic milk chocolate marshmallows. Guys, if you like s'mores, you're going to like these. Now, these are regularly $3.99. But this week, they say they ring up 99 cents. They're not on clearance, but in my one store, they were totally unmarked. I didn't even know that they were on sale, so I totally missed them until I went to the other store. When I went to the other store, they were marked 50% off. So then I'm thinking, okay, well, they're going to be $1.99, and Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back, so I'm thinking, okay, so these are going to cost me $1 a bag. Well, lo and behold, that wasn't what happened. When I scanned them at the Redbox machine, they rang up 99 cents. So they're really 75% off. So that made it even better because they rang up 99 cents. And that means that when I submit to Ibotta, they were absolutely free for me, guys. And you can get up to 5. Now, let me tell you. I did this on Sunday, and I got 5. And the rebate reset. So if this is a good snack that your kids like or something you want to donate to the food bank or whatever, hurry up and do the deal so that it will reset for you the next day so you can go get 5 more. And you can keep getting them over and over and over again. And like I said, guys, they're absolutely free. So why not? So let me show you the rebate. So this is what the rebate looks like. And look, you can get 5. See, I got $5. So I got them absolutely free. Okay? All right. So that one's just regular. That's normal. The next 2 items that we're going to get, I'm not so sure that, well, the Aveeno. Let's start with the Listerine. So the Listerine rings up at $2.69. And you can find these in your travel section. And let me show you, because I got 2 different kinds, because I wanted to show you that both of them work. So see, I got the Listerine Total Care Zero Alcohol. And let me give you that UPC. And you see they don't expire to 2024. Okay. And then here's the regular kind, Listerine Total Care. And then here's that UPC. So you see the UPCs are different, but they both ring up $2.69. Now, normally you can't get a travel item and submit it to Ibotta and get reimbursed. But guess what? Ibotta is glitching, so you can. So let me show you what the rebate looks like. So this is what the rebate looks like. You get $2 for each one. The max is 3. So that's why I have 3. I got $6 back. Now you have to be careful because there are actually 2. So there's 2 rebates in there. One is for $1.50 and that's for the 500 milliliter. And then the other one's for $2. And that one I think is for the 100 milliliter, but it's glitching. It works on the travel sizes. So even if you click on both, you're still only going to get credit for this one. But I just wanted to bring it to your attention to make sure that you knew what I'm referring to. Okay. Okay, so then our next item that we got was the Aveeno Travel Size Body Wash. Let me show you the UPC. Now you see I only have one here, and that is it's because my store only had one, but you can actually get up to 5, I believe. Let me check the rebate. Okay, this is what the Ibotta rebate looks like. So you can actually get up to 5, but my store only had one, so that's all that I could get. Now let me show you that I got my money back. So here you see I got my $2 back because I did the Listerine and the Aveeno on one receipt, and then I did the Stuffed Puffs on another receipt. So here you guys go. Now you know what to do. This is a quick and easy way to get some, get your money back. Get some little items that you can throw in gift baskets. They're good items for you to use for travel yourself. But me personally, I'm going to use these for gift baskets that I'm doing. And that will make it a much better profit for me, because then it'll only be 69 cents for each one of these. Now, if you have the $2 off 10 travel CRT, then grab enough so that you can use this. And actually, if you grab 4 of any, 2 and 2, 3 and 1, however you want to do it, that will give you enough. That will give you $10 with the 98% rule. Actually, $2.69 times 4 is $10.76. So if you have that CRT, use that, and then you'll get $8 back from Ibotta and $2 back for your CRT. So you'll be paying 76 cents for 4 of these things. Guys, that's an even better deal. So look through your CRT, see if you have that 2 off of 10 travel item CRT. Even if you don't, to me, this is still a good deal. So guys, let me know if you go out and do this deal. Let me know if you're able to find these items in your store in the travel section. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so. Hit that subscription button right next to it so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. And until the next time, keep on saving.